Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Hieroglyphs e-learning. In last video, I have already introduced the resource and developed the resource loading schedule. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the role to assign the resource to schedule in planning stage. In this video, you will learn the following skill: how to add role, how to assign the role to the activity, how to define the limit for the role, how to set relation between cost and unit, how to see the over-allocation through the resource usage profile. Here I'm going to show you how to use the role to assign the resource in planning stage. Due to the limited information about the resource to be assigned to the schedule, and we only know certain resource will be assigned to a schedule based on the category of work. Therefore, we can temporarily assign roles to the schedule during the planning stage of the project to see how certain resources affect the schedule. Once the project comes to execution stage, the detailed information is available at that time. We can replace the role with the resource. You can set up roles and use them as resource assignments until specific resource can be assigned. These enable you to schedule and plan cost by role at the project planning stage. Role a project personnel or team title. For example, project planner, supervisor, engineer, or concrete crew team. In addition to be assigned to activity, roles also can be assigned to a specific resource to further identify that resource skill. How to add a role? In order to let you have a good understanding of the ending role and assign role to the activity, I like to take simple example to show you. Here, there is a preliminary schedule in the planning stage. There is activity of excavation need to complete by excavation crew. In the planning stage, we do not know the specific resource, but we know the limit that a company only can provide you, the crew with a 6 person per day in full time. In this stage, we do not know the specific person with a name in the crew, so we only can use role with the crew title Earthwork Crew. Click Enterprise, click Roles. The role dialog appeared. Before you display hierarchy, you should display all the roles. Click Display. Click Filter By to display all the roles you have created. Before you add a role, you should display all the roles in the hierarchy structure to decide the position of new role to be created. Click Role ID until this symbol is appeared, which represents the hierarchy. Since earthwork is the type of trade, new role should be under the trade. Select the trade. Here I use my way to create a row in hierarchy structure. Click Copy on Trait. Click Paste. Click General tab. Change row ID to eCrew. Change the row name to Earthwork Crew. Now the new added row is under Trait. You also can use Add tab to add a row to compare which one is more efficient. Click Modify and type in the responsibility, including excavation, backfill, and compaction. In the planning stage, there is no determined resource to be assigned to a row. So, click Price tab. There is a 4 type of price here. If the labor price in the crew is 25 per hour, enter 25H. If it is 1,000 per week, enter 1,000W. If the price is 52,000 per year, enter 52,000Y. Here I enter 1,000W. But I still want to 25 per hour, so I enter 25H. The Calculate Cost from Unit checkbox is marked by default when you add a new row. When this option is selected, if any budget hour is changed, budget cost for this assigned row will be recalculated. I will demonstrate to you later in this tutorial. Click Limit. You can see there are 2 parts. One is when the row is available to the work in the project. Second is what is the limit your organization can provide. Setting the limits help you to quickly identify whether the labor working per day is over allocation or not through resource usage profile. Assume that this crew will be moved from another project to start work in this project on 22nd September with 4 people. But from 7 October, another additional 2 persons will move to this project. Click Add and click the date column. Select 15th September and there 0 person will be available. Then just fill 0. Click Add to add the effective date. So click Date column, select 22nd September. And there 6 persons can be provided, means 48 hours per day, maximally fill 48. Then from 7 October, additional 2 persons will come, means 8 persons in the crew is available from 7 October. So 64 hours per day maximally. Click Add, click Date column, select 7 October, and fill 64 in max unit. Now the row with the name of Earthwork Crew is created. Click Close. Assign the row to Activity. Click Activity with the name Excavation. Click Resource. Click Add Row. Assign Row dialog appeared. Click Display. Click Filter By to display all rows before Represent Hierarchy. Click Row ID until the symbol of the hierarchy appeared. Write in Earth. In Search. Earthwork Crew is filled out. Click it and click Add. Fill the budget. The budget hours for this activity is 1,536 hours, so I fill 1,536. Now let's see the resource usage profile. Click the icon of the resource usage profile. Click Display. Click Filter By. Click Current Project Row. Since we are going to check over allocation per day, click View. Click Time Scale. The Time Scale dialog appeared. Under Date format, click Date Interval. Select Weekday. Click Apply. Now you can see from 15th September to 2nd September, since there is no crew available, but there is a demand for 50 hours per day. So it shows 50 hours histogram with a red color, represent 50 hours over allocation. From 52 September to 7 October, organization only can provide you 6 persons per day with 48 hours per day, but demand is still 50 hours per day. So there is shown 2 hours over allocation with a red color. From 7 October, there is 8 persons available with 64 hours per day, but the demand is 50 hours per day. It is lower than the limit 64 hours per day. This is the line. This line is the limit line. Please notice that since I have filled the price in row dialog, so there is a cost now. Let's look at the price in row dialog again. Please notice I select the Calculate Cost from the unit. So if I change the unit here, the cost will be recalculated. Let me try. Due to additional work, the budget hours is changed to 1,600. Let's change to 1,600. You can see The cost also automatically changed along with the budget unit change, means instantly recalculated along with the unit change. How to level the schedule, I will show you in the next tutorial. This is the end of this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also, please visit my other tutorials regarding to Primavera P6 learning. See you next time.